What is behind this closet door? You don't know. I know you don't know. That is one thing that I am grasping about minimalism. I go to a friend's house and I think, wow, they've got it together. They are organized. They are on top of things. I was recently talking with a friend about minimalism. She lives out on an acreage and she shared a little secret with me because her house always looks great. It always looks together. It always looks tidy. It doesn't have clutter. But then she took me out to an outbuilding and it was jammed packed. She has 3 kids now in their 20s moving out of the house. She's got every single piece of baby clothing they ever had. She has got toys, stuff, everything, memorabilia, just wow. Of course her house looks great. She doesn't show people the outbuilding. You don't know what's in my closet when you come into my house. The rest of my house might look fantastic. Don't beat yourself up when you compare yourself to other people because you don't know the secrets they're hiding. Having said that, it's day 3. I am preparing to move. Not anytime soon, 6 months, a year, but slowly and surely I am going to get rid of the stuff, extra stuff. Let's get at it. As usual, I'm going to take everything out, only put back in what I want to keep. Let's get started. Here is everything off all of the shelves. It's amazing what we could fit in there. The jackets are still in there. I'll do those while they're still on their hangers. But everything else is here. Lots of dog stuff and lots of miscellaneous things that just don't have a home and made their way to the front closet and stayed there. Not sure why he decided to make himself at home at the bottom of the closet. I've always got my helper with me. Let's get rid of some of these jackets. It is now springtime here. Some of these can go downstairs waiting for next winter. I live in the Canadian tundra, frozen tundra, and in the wintertime it gets cold here. I'm not kidding, minus 45 degrees. You need some serious outerwear in the wintertime where I live. So what we generally do is move things from here down into the basement, waiting for next winter. I don't like keeping things in the box like this because how many is in there? You don't know. Is there 1? Is there 2? Is it the whole 12? We don't drink pop enough to know really how much we have at any given time because it could sit up here for 6 months before it actually gets drank. So I take it out of the box, then I know how much we have. And don't forget how much exercise you're getting by up and down and up and down. It's like getting a workout and organizing. 2 for 1. Love it. There you have it. Finished, easy, quick. All the shoes are out of the bottom. They all go at the back door or in the garage. Spring-like jackets that we can wear. Empty hangers, love it. All of the dog stuff organized. Everything he's allergic to, doesn't play with, doesn't like, gone, donated, or thrown out, whatever the case may be. Hats, goggles, random things, but now I know where they are. All the vacuum cleaner attachments are here. Love it, fantastic. Alcohol and pop up in the corner. We really don't drink that much, so that is a perfect spot for it. We know where it is, we know what we have, and it's done, and it's easy. But you don't know what's behind here. Remember that. Don't compare yourself with others, because what they show you, just like on social media, what you are shown is not always the full picture. That person that seems so together, they could be a mess behind closed doors. This is just your journey, my journey, not anybody else's. I'm not going to compare myself to you. I'm not going to judge you. Don't judge me. We're all on a different path. We're all on a different journey. We have different circumstances. So like, subscribe, follow along as we clean up my house, organize my house, get ready to move, purge. Love it. Fantastic. Here's a quick show of everything that I don't need anymore. This is a pile of stuff. We have dog food that he's allergic to. Why am I keeping it? All of the mitts and hats, those need to be organized. Make sure we've got doubles. They then go downstairs. Tupperwares that are empty. Garbage, get rid of it. All the shoes going to the back door. And miscellaneous things like a random Cliff Bar in there. There's some things to donate here. There is the mitt that we use to brush the dog, but our dogs, it doesn't work with us, so gone. Finished out. Rawhide, which we bought, but now I don't think is very healthy for my dog, so I don't feed it anymore. It's gone. So that feels good, and that did not take very long at all. Now I know what's in my closet. I know what is in the basement. Everybody is happy, and we can move on to the next project. Not necessarily today, maybe tomorrow, one day at a time. Progress, not perfection.